Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious potato salad from scratch. We'll start by selecting the right potatoes, like russet or Yukon Gold, which give a wonderfully creamy texture. After peeling, cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes to ensure they cook evenly. Then, boil them in generously salted water until they are perfectly fork tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. This foundational step is crucial for a great potato salad. Next, let's craft that irresistible creamy dressing. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise as your base, then whisk in 1/4 cup of tangy Dijon mustard for a delightful flavor. To brighten things up, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Finally, incorporate 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of red onion for a pleasant crunch and aromatic depth. This blend creates the perfect balance of flavors. Now for the exciting part, bringing it all together. While the potatoes are still warm, gently fold them into your creamy dressing. This helps the potatoes absorb all those wonderful flavors. For added richness and texture, stir in 2 finely chopped hard-boiled eggs. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and a little pinch of paprika for color and a subtle warmth. Taste and adjust as needed. The final, crucial step is to let your potato salad chill. Cover it tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This resting period is essential because it allows all the incredible flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious dish. Before serving, a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or chives adds a lovely pop of color and a fresh, aromatic finish. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.